acoustic, creating quieter spaces together. Mute clip installation. Ceiling. Begin by inserting acoustic mineral wool between the joists. Acoustic mineral wool can be friction held between the joists or battens. If required, use thin wiring to keep it suspended. The cavity should be filled approximately 80%, so not to compress the mineral wool. Mute clip is a modular sound isolation clip with a dual-density silicon rubber isolator that can dramatically reduce sound transmission over a wide range of frequencies. The mute clips around the perimeter of the room should be no further than 100 mm from the adjacent walls. The other mute clips should be spaced at a maximum of 400 mm centered vertically, moving a maximum of 800 mm horizontally, creating a diamond configuration. Attach mute clip channels into mute clips. The channels must run perpendicular to the joists. When joining two mute clip channels, they must overlap by 200 mm. You should then fix 4 self-tapping screws into the shoulders of the mute clip channels to give a secure join. Next, fix your first layer of acoustic plasterboard to the mute clip channels. There should be a 2 to 5 mm gap around the perimeter of the surface. Acoustic plasterboard must not be in direct contact with any adjacent surfaces. Seal the perimeter and any other gaps with acoustic sealant. Next, adhere TechSound to the acoustic plasterboard using TechSound's self-adhesive backing. It may be easier to cut TechSound into manageable sized pieces for ease of installation. Try to ensure the joints are staggered between layers. Fix your second layer of acoustic plasterboard, again staggering the joints, making sure that the screws go into the mute clip channels. Again, ensure there is a 2 to 5 mm gap around the perimeter of the room. Seal the perimeter and any other gaps with acoustic sealant. Scrim tape all joints and finish with a skim plaster. Please note, the layers of this system can vary in thickness and mass. This can affect the centres or numbers of clips required to support the weight of the system. Please speak to iAcoustic with any queries.